Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Box to automate AI content tagging. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, log into your Box account. Go to the Box Developer Console. Click on Create New App to start the process. Select the Box Content API option. Choose the Server Authentication, Client Credentials Grant method. Fill in the app name and other required fields. Once your app is created, navigate to the Settings tab. Note down your client ID and client secret. In the same settings, enable the App Token option. After that, click on Generate Token. Copy the generated token for later use. Next, go to your AI content tagging solution. Look for the Integration Settings section. Paste your client ID and client secret into the appropriate fields. Input the generated token into the Authentication section. Ensure that you set the appropriate permissions for content tagging. Now, locate the automation settings in your AI tool. Select the option to authorize with Box. Follow any additional prompts to finalize the authorization process. Test the integration by uploading a sample file to Box. Verify that the AI tagging is functioning correctly. If everything works as expected, you're all set to automate content tagging with Box and AI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.